Good morning, children. I welcome you all to the second part of our lesson. So, as we already know, there are 5 generations of computers. So, let us see what are those 5 generations. And in this video, we will be discussing about the first 3 generations. Okay, so let us start. First generation. It is used from 1940 to 1956 and it is named as vacuum tubes. Coming to the second generation, it is used from 1956 to 1963 and it is named as transistors. Coming to the third generation, 1964 to 1971 and named as integrated circuits. Fourth generation are named as microprocessors and is used from 1972 to 2010. Coming to the fifth generation, which is named as artificial intelligence, that is what we are using in the present situations. Okay, children. So let us know each of them in detail. First generation, that is vacuum tubes. Let us see the hardware, software and other features of vacuum tubes. Here, vacuum tube itself is used as an hardware. Okay. And the magnetic drums are used for memory purpose, that is storage. And input is given through the punched cards and paper tape. And output is taken on a printout. Okay. Coming to software characteristics. Machine language is used as a software. And in this particular generation, only one problem can be solved at a time. And it will be dealing with mostly the scientific applications only. Okay. Coming to other features. These computers are bulky in size and these are very highly unreliable. Okay. And these are used for limited commercial use. That is business purposes very limited. And these are very costly. Okay. And the production of commercial systems is also difficult and it is also difficult to use. Okay, children. Next, let us see the examples of first generation computers. UNIVAC and ENIAC computers are the examples for first generation computers. Whereas UNIVAC was the first commercial computer that is delivered to a business client. Who is that client? US Census Bureau. Who is that business client? US Census Bureau. And in which year they have delivered the computer? In 1951. Okay. Next, second generation, that is transistors. Here the transistors itself is used as an hardware. Magnetic codes are used for memory. Magnetic tapes and discs are used for secondary storage purpose. Okay. And the software characteristics. Batch processing system is used. That means whatever the problem is there, it is divided into several batches. And after the completion of first batch only, the second batch will be started. Okay. Assembly language is used as a software characteristic. Next, high level programming languages are developed in this particular generation. High level programming languages means, for example, nowadays we are hearing C, C++, Java, Oracle. That means this generation they have started the developing of high level languages. Here, these computers are used for both scientific and commercial purposes. Okay. Coming to other features, these computers are faster, smaller and more reliable. Okay. And the programming can also be done easily when compared to the previous first generation. Okay. In this generation also commercial production was still difficult and costly. Okay, children. Next, third generation is integrated circuits. So let us know what is an integrated circuit. An integrated circuit is a small electronic device that is made out of a semiconductor material. What is an integrated circuit? It is an electronic device that is made out of a semiconductor material. And the first integrated circuit was developed in 1950s by Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce. Okay. Now let us see the characteristics. Coming to hardware characteristics. ICs, that means integrated circuits with SSI and MSI technologies. SSI means what? Small scale industries. MSI means medium scale industries. These technologies are used in integrated circuits. Here, larger magnetic cores are used for memory and the larger capacity disks and magnetic tapes are used for secondary storage purpose. Okay, children. Coming to software characteristics. Time sharing operating system. Time sharing operating system means what? Each and every process is given a particular time. Based on that time, within that time, that particular process should complete it. And the next process should be started. Okay. Standardization of high level programming languages. That means in the previous generation, they are still developing the languages. Here, they have given a standardization to those languages. Okay. Other features. These computers are faster, smaller, more reliable, easier, and cheaper to produce. Here, both scientific, commercial, and interactive online applications are also developed. Okay, children, I hope you all understood today's class. The remaining topics will be discussed in the next video.